I'll take it delicately, 'cause we are all pressure sensitive and don't know everything. But see the smile on my face. It ain't mean, hey, you can meet the nice you and we can be so breezy, like wind surfing. Or like a snack in bed. We can be happy like we invented it. Sappy if we want to, 'cause the world is so full of those who don't like us. Whoa. Yeah, they can't understand why we stand for what we do, but they should take note if it produces good things. Yeah, we want to it's just gonna take a bunch of time, like sometimes the new stuff does. Or we will get on an express ship it to you. Make you jump up, open the door, open your box up, find how inspired we are, and you'll take care and listen only for you, for your own good, and for others too. That's the way it works with good works. Participate in them and soon enough doing good stuff. As long as you continue on. Best way. Is to love others.